Here's a problem in Davinci Resolve 17. I have an arrow here, it's this one, which is this one. Everything is fine if I scroll to the left and to the right, but at the beginning that arrow is moving. See, it's smaller and it's up, and if I go to the left it's larger and it's down here. So how to get rid of that movement which is somewhere here at the beginning of that arrow? Well, come here to this icon, this rhombus sign, click on that one. Let's even make this area larger, and as you can see there we have some dots there. So let's go there and zoom in, alt and scroll up on your mouse, and we should get rid of those keyframes, this one and that one, or at least leave one. So by using the left bracket or right bracket, I'll just show that also on screen keyboard. So left and right brackets, we can go from one keyframe to the other. Select the program first. Okay, it's going to the left keyframe again. So I will use those two buttons on my keyboard. So as you can see, this is okay, but that is not okay. I'm pressing those two arrows. So I should get rid of this keyframe. To do that, come here to the inspector and the video tab. And here on the transform, we have these keyframes. So click on the top one, which is in line with the title, and is disabling that one. It's removing that keyframe, and it's leaving only that one, which is okay. So that is not moving, it stays there. Zoom out, alt and scroll out, and close this lower section with this rhombus sign. And that's it. Now the arrow stays in one place, it's not getting larger here at the beginning.